Hook, have you ever wondered how much cold, hard cash you can actually shove into your Monzo account? It's a question that's plagued the minds of many a Monzo user. So, let's dive in and find out just how much dough you can deposit. Context: Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app and fee-free features. But when it comes to cash, there are certain limits in place. These limits vary depending on factors like your account type, recent deposit history, and even the location of the ATM you're using. The basics: generally, Monzo allows you to deposit a certain amount of cash each day. This daily limit is usually quite high, but it's always a good idea to check your app for the exact figure. Exceeding this limit might trigger additional security checks or even temporary restrictions on your account. ATM limits: the ATM you're using can also play a role. Some ATMs have their own daily cash deposit limits. If you're planning a large deposit, it's wise to choose an ATM that can handle the amount. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using ATMs that aren't part of Monzo's network. Account type: your account type can also influence the cash deposit limits. For example, if you have a premium Monzo account, you might enjoy higher limits or additional benefits. Security measures: Monzo takes security very seriously. If you're depositing a large sum of money, you might be asked to provide additional verification, such as answering security questions or confirming your identity via phone call or SMS. Recent deposit history: your recent deposit history can also factor in. If you've been making frequent or large deposits, Monzo might impose temporary limits to prevent fraudulent activity. Tips for cash deposits: check your limits. Always verify your daily cash deposit limit before heading to the ATM. Choose the right ATM. Opt for ATMs that can handle large deposits and avoid those with excessive fees. Be prepared for verification. Have your identification ready if you're depositing a significant amount. Consider alternative methods. If cash deposits are inconvenient or limited, explore other options like bank transfers or direct deposits. Real-world examples. A case study: share a personal experience or a story from a viewer who encountered cash deposit limits. This can help illustrate the challenges and potential solutions. Comparison with other banks: compare Monzo's cash deposit limits to those of other digital banks or traditional banks. This can provide valuable context and help viewers make informed decisions. Conclusion: so, how much cash can you actually put in Monzo? The answer depends on various factors, including your account type, the ATM you're using, and recent deposit history. While there are limits in place, Monzo generally offers generous allowances for cash deposits. By understanding these limits and following best practices, you can make the most of your Monzo account and enjoy hassle-free cash transactions. Call to action: subscribe. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more financial tips and tricks. Share. Ask viewers to share the video with their friends and family. Comment. Invite viewers to leave comments with their own experiences or questions about cash deposits. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your wallets full and your Monzo account happy.